One of the most popular games ever made is now free, and for a very limited time, Epic Games is giving everyone a chance to get a copy of GTA 5 free for PC, plus a few bonuses I'll tell you about at the end of the video. Here's how to get GTA 5 for free. If you're already an Epic Games member, you're already set. If not, you'll need the Epic Games Launcher. The easiest way to find it is to Google Epic Games Launcher and follow the instructions to create an account and install. I'm already a member, so from here I'll run the Epic Games Launcher from my desktop shortcut. In the launcher, do a search for GTA 5. Then click Get to download this for free before the promotion is over. This game is over 90 gigabytes and it took me about 3 hours to download over Wi-Fi. What you're getting is the GTA 5 Premium Edition, which includes the GTA 5 story, online play, and all the existing upgrades and content, including the Criminal Enterprise Starter Pack. As part of the Starter Pack, you'll also get $1 million in in-game cash. And for those who are wondering, you'll be able to keep this game forever. The Grand Theft Auto 5 free download ends on Thursday, May 21st, 2020 at 8 a.m. So don't waste any time and go download it now. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.